parking lot. And we're going to see how these brakes sound when you hit them. Keep on going. Let's get to the stop sign. Go again.